Hello guys, let's solve some problem from weekly contest 60. We're gonna solve sentence similarity today. This problem is not available in Lintcode, so we need to find an alternative. We can find the same problem in Lintcode, so we're gonna solve it from there. Now let's see the definition of the problem. We are given words 1 and words 2, two lists of words and a pair of word list. We have to find if the words 1 and words 2 is same or not. Okay, there are some notes that are given. That is, the similarity relation is not transitive. For example, great and fine are similar and fine and good are similar. Great and good are not necessarily similar. However, similarity is symmetric. For example, great and fine being similar is the same as fine and great being similar. Those are self-explanatory, and there are some other notes as well. Those are word is always similar to itself. Finally, sentence can only be similar if they have the same number of words. Now let's see one example to get a better understanding. Here we have given words 1, a list of words 2, another list of word, and a pair of word list. Now in the pair of word list they are saying that great is similar to fine, drama is similar to acting, and skill is similar to talent. So we have to say if the words 1 and words 2 are same or not. The output is true. Let's see the explanation. The explanation is great is similar to word because it is given in our pair. Similarly, the other two are also given in our pair. That's why we are given true. Let's see the example 2. In the example 2, we can see we are also similarly given two word list and a pair of word list. So here we are given output false because fine is same as fine, but the other two are not similar. That's why we are given output false. Now let's code it up and see if we can find a O of n solution or not. First, we're gonna check if length of word and length of words 1 and length of words 2 are same or not. If they are not same, then we can instantly return false because then the words cannot be same. So we're gonna return false. If that is not the case, then we can create an hash map to keep track of the similarity between words. Let's create a hash map. Now I'm creating a hash map of set because we don't want to keep two same word inside our hash map. Now we need to import the collection. Now let's iterate through the pair of words and populate our hash map. I'm making the pair of words as I'm taking the pair of words as W1 and W2. We're gonna add a W1 as a key of our hash map and add W2. Similarly, we're gonna add W2 as a key of our hash map and add W1. Because we don't know the order of the words in our words 1 or words 2. Now to check if the words 1 and words 2 are same or not, we need to iterate through them as well. So let's do that. We can take any one words 1 or words 2 here because we need the length and we have checked the length and they are same. So now let me take the word 1 and let me take the word 2 as well. We're gonna add word 1 as key of our hash map and add word 1 because we are said that words is always similar to itself. Now if W2 not in hash map of W1, then we can return false, and if that is not the case, then after finishing the for loop we can return true. Now let's check if this works or not. Yeah, it is accepted. Now let's submit. Yeah, it's accepted. and it's quite efficient as well.